Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing two boxes, Crown Royal, 13-14. Break number 186. Last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and that happened at 20:46 Eastern. Here's your eBay time. Let's refresh it. So, eBay time, 17:05 Pacific, 20:05 Eastern, 21:05 Nova Scotia time. Alrighty. Oh, my leg is giving out again. Jeez. Time to replace this thing or something, I guess. Okay. Get the light back around so it's not glaring. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Thanks everybody for taking part. A lot of you were in the last break. And I'm not going to tell you who got hits, although I'd like to. Okie dokie, there you have it. Number 186, serial number 9896 and 7392. This one is 7392. This one is, get up there, 9896, although there's a piece of black over it. We'll cut right into that one right now. And get her done. 4 packs, empty box. Alrighty, good luck everybody. Christmas coming upon us. I wish I could give you all big hits, but we all know that's not going to happen. There we go. Start right off for the New Jersey Devils and JNC cards. Patrick Elias, and that is 69 out of 99, Jeff. Check it out. Very nice, Ruby. Congratulations. Excuse me. Then we got to drop down the line a bit. 32-28 Jody. We got Corey Conacher. Excuse me. For the Ottawa Senators. Heirs to the throne. They are not numbered. For Sylvain Claremont 62, we got Austin Watson for the Panthers. Doesn't look anything like a duck. There you go. Congratulations, and that is not numbered. And for the Tampa Bay Lightning and JNC cards, we got Radko Gudas. That's rookie royalty, and that's 12 out of 99. If I can get the number in there. 12 out of 99. Congratulations, Jeff. Last pack, the first box. It's a thick one, of course. It's not, I think it's Mythology. Maybe. Oh, for the Montreal Canadiens, 519 Rob, Patrick Waugh. It's Mythology. Materials, 21 out of 25. Prime. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. and the other two. And then we go back to this one here, 73.92. Sometimes I can get that light the way I like it. Other times, I just can't. I think it's just me, to be honest. Alright, those are not bad. We'll put the thicker on the bottom, of course. Keep you interested. Okay, here we go. Good luck. For the San Jose Sharks, Avs Cowboy, we got Patrick Marleau, and that's coat of arms, and that is not numbered. Jeez. Something's not right. Driving me crazy. For the Philadelphia Flyers, and Bow Dry 225. Nice gold. Rookie royalty. Matthew Cone. And that is 478 out of 499. Congratulations. 2 to go. For the LA Kings, Malco, 400. It's a triple jersey, Royal Lineage. Luc Robitaille, Anze Kopitar, Tanner Pearson. Not numbered. Congratulations. Nice nonetheless. And our last pack. And for Sullivan, Claremont, 62, we've got Roman Josi. Let's just get rid of these two here. Silhouette. Autographed. Not numbered. Nice nonetheless. So there you have it. Couple boxes on for Thursday night. They're buy it now, so get in, grab your teams while they're there. Don't have anything else listed as of yet. Just trying to decide what I want to do. Coming up on Christmas, I'm getting lazy. So anyway, keep your eyes open till I see you again. Good luck and happy bidding. Good night.